What's up mga quiz, mga atis? Welcome back sa akin channel. This is Quiz Alan at ngayon araw papanoorin natin yung official teaser trailer from Marvel at ito yung third installment ng very successful na series of movie at ito yung Deadpool at na may title na Deadpool and Wolverine na ito yung parang pinaka first na movie ng Deadpool or ng X-Men under the Marvel ng Disney. So, with no further ado, let's watch the video. With no further ado, let's watch the video and later I'll be giving my reaction and opinion on the said trailer. So, let's go!
Happy birthday to you.
All right, okay.
It's been a challenging few years, for sure, but I'm happy. That is because of each and every one of you. I'm the luckiest man alive.
Make a wish, buddy.
Wade Wilson?
Who's asking? Whoa, 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 whoa. Is that supposed to be scary? Pegging isn't new for me, friendo, but it is for Disney.
Mr. Wilson, you appear to have soiled yourself while unconscious.
I was unconscious. Who are you? Why am I here?
Walk with me. Wait. You are special. This is your chance to be a hero among heroes.
I smell what you're stepping in, Sensei. Your little cinematic universe is about to change forever. I'm the Messiah. I am Marvel Jesus.
God, please! Oh my fuck! God, I love this part. Wait!
Don't just stand there, you ape. Give me a hand up. Nope, I'm actually okay. Thank you very much.
Okay, tayo ko na pala natin yung teaser trailer ng Deadpool and Wolverine na third installment ng Deadpool, and this is the first movie under Marvel Disney na pinindyo. So alam natin na yung Deadpool originally from Fox, diba? Pero na-acquire ng Disney yung Fox, so they are not the one producing the movie. And this series, this movie will be the introduction to sa X-Men sa Marvel. So X-Men is also part ng Fox. So nakuha na rin yung X-Men. So they will do a series now. And dito sa series, ang unang papakilanin na part ng X-Men ay si Wolverine. Dun sa trailer, let's talk about the trailer. To be honest with you, medyo na-confuse ako dun sa trailer. I wasn't that so excited with the trailer. Or natuwa masyado. I don't know. It was totally different from the first two movies. Yes, yung style kasi third person, diba, character. Pero here, same pa rin. Inatap pa rin sa dalawang unang series at new movies. Pero dito sa trailer, medyo na-confuse lang ako. Masyadong obvious yung papakilala na from Fox to Marvel sila, diba? Na parang I don't know kung part talaga ng movie yun or parang introduction lang yun, promotional lang yung part na yun. Pero ang mas natuwa ko dun later part na, diba, yung naka-costume na si Deadpool, diba? At na-meet niya si si Wolverine na played by Hugh Jackman, pero hindi pa pinapakita si Hugh Jackman, just yung sura, yung back lang niya, diba? Pero alam na natin si Hugh Jackman yan kasi it's already out in the news naman yan. So half ako ngayon. I'm not super excited. Alam naman sa movie na to because alam natin na ang Marvel ang gumawa ng movie about Marvel, medyo ibang dating nga, di ba? And I heard kasi itong Deadpool, hindi siya kasing tulad nung first two na medyo brutal when it comes to mga scenes. So parang Lilo, kasi mayroong image ang Disney na medyo child friendly daw yung mga movies nila. So I don't know kung ipupush through nila yung PG-13 something na yung movie, yung child friendly. But again, I'm not super excited for this movie kasi happy na ako doon sa first two, and sana kung Fox yung gumawa yung third movie, mas happy pa ako kasi konektado. Pero this one Marvel na kasi, and alam natin how they do movies, and I'm not really that big fan ng Marvel sa paggawa ng movies kasi nga I hate the connectivity thing nila. So kasi medyo napipilit yung kwento, na masyadong na-squeeze yung kwento kapag may they call connectivity, lalo na sa comics naman wala namang connectivity, diba? So yon. But still, let's see kapag nailabas nila yung official trailer nila, kung yung ano nakita natin dito sa official teaser is the same ang ipapakita nila sa official trailer, then magkukonclude natin mga sinabi ko kanina, diba? So now, let's wait and see pa rin. But, yun, let's wait and see, and tingnan natin kung ano magiging kakalabasan kapag nailabas yung official trailer nitong movie, diba? So, yun. So, kung nagustuhan nyo yung official teaser trailer ng Deadpool and Wolverine, mag-comment kayo dito sa baba. At kung nagustuhan nyo naman yung reaction ko at opinion ko, mag-comment kayo dito sa baba, and I will read all your comments and I will try to sumagot sa mga comments nyo and mag-react, diba? And before I end this video, please don't forget these 4 things while watching my videos on my channel: comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channels. The Alan Ski Show, ang Pinoy Talaga channel, proudly from the vlog, Tamat ng People Presents. So maraming salamat, have a nice day, and take care everyone.